Hey guys, I don't remember who asked me to make a video for the full lace wig for her, the straight texture. And this one is the very full volume, and I will comb the hair for you to show you. And I know you guys want me to wear a wig and show how long the hair will reach, whether to my shoulder or back. So this is the full lace wig. As you can see, how much volume the hair is this one. And this full lace wig, the lace will accidentally cut a little bit more, so it's not that too much lace left. So I will show you how we can match my skin. This one, this. Can you see the lace on my forehead here? So if you guys want this wig, you need to not to cut the lace anymore. So just leave it as it is. So use the glue, because this one is full lace wig without any comb or strap. This one, and you can see how long the hair will be on my back. This one. The cap size just fit my head. My head size is medium size, 22.5. Just fit my head. This one. And I will show you the cap construction here. In the center is elastic, this one. So you just use the glue to glue on your head, this one. So remember, if you want to buy this full lace wig, you just check carefully. The lace is not too much left. We just hand tie the hair on the edge of the lace. So you see? And especially I want to point it out that the knot is very natural. It's not big. For this wig, it's not big. The knot is not big. So I'll show you more here. Look, obviously you can see the knot is not big. So wait a moment. Because this wig was made before the pandemic period. That means before the coronavirus, we made this wig already. We just have one left. We didn't want to sell it actually, but I don't know who asked me to sell her one full lace wig. She needed urgently. I don't remember one, so I just put this on YouTube video to show. Maybe she can watch the video and contact me. She told me that she needed urgently because she had cancer on the head. So hopefully this one will help her. This one, it's very too much hair on this wig. Already 1 year before the coronavirus, we make this wig. So the knots, you don't need to worry about the knot. It's not big. It's very good hand tie knot on lace. So hopefully you can watch this video and contact me. So see you in the next video.